The 2025 Ford Maverick has taken a bold step forward, blending modern innovation with a touch of classic muscle. This year's model brings something unexpected under the hood, a powerful 331 cubic inch V8 engine. In an era dominated by turbocharged 4-cylinders and hybrid powertrains, Ford has surprised enthusiasts by introducing a naturally aspirated V8 option for the Maverick, making it one of the most exciting compact trucks in recent years. At the heart of this Maverick lies the 5.4-liter 331 V8, an engine that pays homage to Ford's rich history of performance. Borrowing technology from the legendary Coyote and Godzilla engine families, this smaller block powerhouse delivers around 450 horsepower and 420 lb-ft of torque, ensuring that this compact pickup has more than enough muscle to take on mid-size competitors. Unlike the turbocharged EcoBoost variants, this V8 provides a raw, linear power band, giving drivers an old-school feel with modern reliability. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, the Maverick 331 V8 offers seamless shifts and responsive performance. Ford has engineered this version of the Maverick to be more than just a straight-liner performer. The chassis has been reinforced to handle the additional power, while an upgraded suspension system ensures that it remains stable at high speeds and confident through corners. Magnetic ride control, previously seen on Ford's high-performance models, makes an appearance here, adapting in real time to road conditions and driver inputs. This setup enhances both handling and comfort, making the Maverick as capable on winding roads as it is on the job site. Aesthetically, the 2025 Maverick V8 distinguishes itself from its hybrid and EcoBoost siblings with an aggressive stance, wider fender flares, and a more pronounced hood bulge, hinting at the power that lies beneath. Unique badging and a dual exhaust system further emphasize its performance-oriented nature. Buyers can also opt for a factory-installed performance package, which includes lightweight forged wheels, sportier suspension tuning, and upgraded brakes for even better stopping power. Inside, the Maverick continues to impress with a mix of practicality and premium touches. The driver-focused cockpit features a digital gauge cluster that provides real-time performance data, including horsepower output and G-forces. A 12-inch infotainment touchscreen with Sync 5 ensures seamless connectivity, while Recaro-inspired sports seats provide extra support during spirited driving. Despite its performance credentials, the Maverick still maintains the everyday usability that has made it popular, with a spacious rear bench and ample cargo space in the bed. With the introduction of the 331 V8, Ford has created a compact truck that appeals to both traditional truck enthusiasts and muscle car fans alike. It blends power, style, and modern technology into a package that stands out in today's market, proving that there's still a place for V8 power in the world of compact pickups.